Time to add carrot bacon to the list of things I never thought I would cook or eat. This little snack treat has been made ever so popular, of course, by TikTok, but also by the very charming Tabitha Brown. So I'm gonna give this one a try and we'll see if carrot bacon is where it's at. First, you take your peeler, and I tried to find larger carrots because I wanted to get good bacon size strips. So then you just peel down the bacon. The carrot. It's kind of like Carol Baskin. Carrot bacon. Smoky, crispy, crunchy. So I've got several strips. Okay, so in the bowl, there are no real measurements that I noticed, but it's just a few ingredients. So maple syrup, just enough to kind of soak everything. All right, liquid smoke, I don't know how much. Then she has an onion pepper blend, which I couldn't find. So this is like onion and herb. Garlic powder. Okay, and then smoked paprika. All right, so we stir that up. Give it a taste. It's got the smokiness, like I can see where she's going, but I feel like it needs salt. Better. Okay, so then you just take some of your bacon strips and soak it in there. I'm gonna let that sit just for a minute or so while I preheat my air fryer. All right, I have preheated my air fryer to 380. You don't have to preheat it, but I just do for about a minute. She says just lay it down in the air fryer, which I'm gonna do here. This does look more like bacon. I'd rather eat this than that like fake bacon made out of like tofu or something. I'm gonna pop that in the air fryer. 5 minutes till bacon. Carrot bacon. Okay. All right, mine does not look like hers, first off. Here's what mine looks like. Let me let it cool off. I think it's gonna get crispy as it cools. Okay, so when they come out of the air fryer, they just need to apparently sit for like 30 seconds and they get crunchy. Okay, so here's what I've got. I mean, it did get crunchy. Now, for the taste test. This one looks like a good one. Okay, here we go. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I mean, it definitely is sweeter than bacon. So, you know, it almost tastes like a veggie chip. I think the sweetness from the carrot is like what takes it away from being bacon. But the crunch, I mean, I could totally put this on a BLT with some avocado, and I think it'd be a good sandwich if I just could not have bacon. I would like to try this maybe with a parsnip or something a little less sweet. Definitely 10 out of 10 for the crunch factor, because nobody likes soggy bacon. Is it bacon? No. Is it a good snack? Yes. Will it satisfy a bacon craving? Probably. For more videos like this, don't forget to follow MyRecipes on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Even Carol Baskin would like Carol bacon. Even Carol Baskin would like carrot bacon.